Can't stop this train.
10 million.
It's rolling, Jerry.
Yeah.
It's rolling.
Yeah.
Choo choo.
It's the week of Thanksgiving. Chris, what are you thankful for?
Oh gosh, I'm thankful for all sorts of things. I'm thankful for my awesome team here at ProfitDig. I'm thankful for my family. My wife of 17 years.
I'm glad ProfitDig came first.
Not in that particular order.
All right, Jeff, again, what are you
People say
thankful?
God, country, and family. And ProfitDig.
Jeff, what are you thankful for?
I'm clearly thankful for family and a good career. I'm also thankful for Amazon Prime shipping.
All right.
Using that quite a bit.
USA. USA.